Now here's the hard part. Planning your lesson. What will your students be doing? Think about these questions. Are you going to demonstrate a technique or an idea? Are you going to give them directions and let it happen? Are you setting a challenge and giving them a partial demonstration? Or, yes, maybe, do I demo or do I not demo? In my own classes, I demo the technique. Usually, I don't finish a project because I don't want them to copy my project. I've had this happen in classes during my very first classes. I would finish the whole project so they would know what it would look like. But at the same time, instead of creating their own work, I had students that just copied what I was doing. And that's not really what I wanted. I demonstrate the techniques and then I put the canvas aside. I rarely finish a piece of artwork in the classroom. Here's more questions. Are you going to take them through a project step by step? Are you going to let them work right away? Are you showing only techniques? Or are you showing how to create an artwork from beginning to end? The option for your students is to copy, whether to copy your example or not is really up to you. Personally, I don't. I want them to create their own artwork. Some techniques are better learned by copying, so this does not apply to every art technique. So that decision is really up to you. Here's more things you have to decide. How are you going to teach this technique? If you're insecure about your ability to create in front of a group, practice. I used to practice with some of my friends. I've even practiced with my children. Another option is you create a sample for each of the steps and then just show a little bit of how it's done. Some instructors do this. See this example. This is what I want you to do. Here's your task. First, decide the process you're going to use. Second, write down the steps. What do you do and what do your students do? Third, pace the exercise. How long is it going to take? If you're not sure, keep in mind that your students will take 3 times as long to create a project than you. They're learning, they're cautious, they're being careful, and they're just getting there. So it'll take them 3 times as long. Identify what problems they might have so that you can help them through it. Make sure you have backup material, resources, in case your student asks where you got your information. For example, where did you get the image from the internet? Give them the website. Where they buy the materials. That kind of information, that's what they like to get. So write these things down and we'll see you in the next section.